Hey. Do you know me? If you do know me, you already know my country of origin. Absolutely right. I'm from Italy. As you have witnessed on news and internet that Italy was hit by this disastrous coronavirus and many has infected unaware and become a virus carrier because it doesn't show an early symptoms and lately detected on outbreak. Definitely every nation won't like to suffer as Italy did, and perhaps you also don't want your community to be called the next Wuhan, a place in China in which the coronavirus originally exist and gone on outbreak. Coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, and the disease was lately called COVID-19. I'm not scaring you but just warning you. This COVID-19 disease is seriously contagious, dangerous and deadly. This virus intrude our health, invade our freedom and life taker. This virus has no excuses. Any person could be a carrier, even celebrities, sports athlete, politicians, professionals and frontliners were already a victim. As of now there is no antidote to kill the virus immediately. Medical experts and WHO are still on research to eliminate the virus. Always practice good hygiene. Wash and disinfect your hands regularly. Never touch your face, eyes, nose, ears and mouth because these parts of your body are the gateways of the virus. Always follow the WHO or your local health organization instructions against coronavirus. So, everybody should act now to destroy the virus. Let's start it with ourselves, family, home and community. Discipline ourselves to put under home quarantine as directed by your government. This means no socializing and get together with peoples because the more you are on the crowd, the more you are infected. Home quarantine is the best solution just to flatten the curve or to scale down the casualties of the virus, until carrier will be traced, and infected will get healed until corona will dissipate. Poor, rich, elite should undergo an extreme enhanced community quarantine or community lockdown implemented by your countries. In poor countries this community lockdown for a long period is really hard to obey, especially for the poor people who don't have enough money to buy for their basic commodities where job is shut down, so no work, there is no pay. In this situation of poor majority, we are all hoping that the government, charity foundation and other institution could give what they've needed for the whole period of the lockdown. So poor wouldn't have a choice to go out for food for their hungry family. For the rich and elite people, we know that home quarantine for them sounds so easy, because they could provide what they've needed. They have a solid home as their protection, a money to buy for their commodities and supplies. In this time of pandemic, the good Samaritans will arise to reach out with the needy and the poor, selflessly for good intention. For those who are able to help, they could help without physical or social contact by donating through online money transfer with their preferred charity foundation, or they could send repacked goods to be picked up by their local government units and to be distributed within their respective area of recipient. I hope that this message could reach other people or countries to raise an awareness, to serve as guide and a weapon to battle against our invisible brutal enemy. A huge discipline, patience and sacrifice is what we need to make our loved ones safe and survive. Don't forget to pray to our Lord to overcome this kind of trials. Quarantine is written on the Bible. Go home, my people, and lock your doors. Hide yourselves for a little while, until the Lord's anger has passed. Isaiah 26 verse 20. # stay at home. # stay safe. # stay healthy.